Welcome to another Garage Time with Goody. And today what I'm going to be showing you is if you start your car and this little error pops up and it says key battery is low and it shows you a picture of your key fob, I'm going to show you how to replace that battery. So as soon as you get that indicator that the battery is low, you're going to want to change that battery. Because as you can see, I'm showing you here, there is no ignition switch in these cars. So that means if the battery dies, you have no way of starting your car and you will be stranded wherever you are. But don't worry, click on the link above and I will show you a way to emergency start your car even if your key fob battery is dead. Okay, here is your key fob right here. You see there is a switch where you can take out your emergency key in case you get locked out of your car. You're going to need one flathead screwdriver. Then you push in and pull up on the emergency key and you pull your emergency key out of the key fob. You will see there are two slots on the key fob. One where you pulled your emergency key out, and two, the second one right below it. Push the flathead screwdriver into this slot and pry to the left or right until you pry the key fob open. If it comes slightly open, you can put the flathead screwdriver gently in and pry it up even more. And then just turn it over and you will see that there is a lithium battery inside the key fob. This is the battery that is going dead, and you're going to need to go ahead and take it out with your flathead screwdriver and replace it with a CRC 2032. Next, you want to take the plus side of the battery, face it up, and then turn it over and put it down into the key fob with the plus side facing downward. Next, you're going to want to snap the key fob back together, and literally it should make a snapping sound similar like this. And then you're going to want to snap it down all the way around and make sure it is evenly put back together. Now, once it is back together, you're going to want to take your emergency access key and slide it back into the slot of the key fob until it snaps back on, and then you are good and you are done.